Hello dear friends. It's no secret that rectangular cakes are very difficult to align. In the video today I'll show you how to easily without special tool and special skills align rectangular cake book, like nothing else best suited for this. I have a chocolate biscuit on the bottom, white on top, butter custard and peach and pineapple. We will decorate with protein custard. And so let's get started. Apply the cream on top of the cake and level it a little. Pay particular attention to edges and corners. They should not be below the middle. Now apply the cream on the side of the cake. Cream should be a lot. Again, pay special attention to corners. They should also have a lot of cream. Slightly align the side. Cream on the sides you need to apply so, to be above the top of the cake. It is important. With a large spatula you need to make the corner of the cake. That is, we begin to align with corners and edges. And lead to the middle of the cake. So we go around the cake. Completely level the surface. If somewhere is missing equals add. Because the more we will not align the top. To align the side of the cake, take a ruler. Leaning against the cake, we look that she was parallel with him. And in one motion, slowly we run the ruler to the bottom. Remove excess cream. If you see that the angle is not displayed, add more cream. And output the corner again. After that we take a plastic card. And bring her the corners, and side of the cake. This is the fastest and easiest way flattening a rectangular cake. Now let's start decorating. Silicone brush on the side of the cake on 3 sides. Create page texture. Put a picture in the form of a book cover on top and smooth it. Since we have a beige color picture. Then we direct the cream in appropriate colors. I have a dry dye beige color. Here I wrongly marked the binding. Nothing wrong, carefully remove and continue. Now let's deal with flowers. Add a small amount of cream lilac dye. Small smile will make chrysanthemums. We plant in a chaotic manner. Add white to the remainder of the lilac cream. Need colors to be about the same tone. The little rose nozzle will make roses. We also plant in a chaotic manner. Now add a little lilac color dye Americolor. We also plant roses. Cream color green. And leave the leaves with a nozzle leaf. After the leaves are planted, plant small white flowers, make the core pink. In pink we'll make spikelets along the edge of the flowers. The cake is ready. Friends, if you liked this video, put likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. There are many interesting things ahead of you. See you soon.